Howdy everybody, this is Timothy Zellmer, and today is a very special day. It's special because this is the last day I'll be 59 years old. Tomorrow, June 22nd, I turn 60 years old. And you know why else it's a special day? Take a look here. I have got the One Funnel Away Challenge box here. Made it to me in Boquete, Panama. And I made my call. Oh, right here. Check this out. It said stop, make a phone call, send a text. OTA to 720-575-5733. Here it is, made it all the way to Panama. That's a long ways away. And now for the official unboxing. Dun, da, da, da. Ooh. Your training officially begins now. To each there comes in their lifetime a very special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the chance to do a very special thing, unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour. That's by Sir Winston Churchill. Ooh, now what have we got here? Ooh, more good information. Let's see what we got. Ooh, how to refer people. Ooh, oh, look at this. Isn't this cool? Mm-hmm. A nice book. Ooh, nice. Check it out. Ooh. This has got to be the MP3 player. Yes. Ooh, nice. And, ooh, look at that. Confetti for a party. Nice. Ooh, making a mess. 2 Comma Club coaching. Secrets. The life you want, the marriage you want, the family you want is going to be fueled by the business you build. Get started at www.2commaclubcoaching.com. Super cool. And there's more. Nice. The One Funnel Away Challenge Workbook. Customize and execute your 30-day plan. Ooh, very nice. Super cool. Okay. Excellent. Anything else underneath? Ooh, no. Guess that's it. And now the challenge begins. If you're interested in doing this along with us, look for the link down below for the One Funnel Away Challenge that thousands have done before. How to create one funnel for your business, any kind, your passion, whatever you desire. Follow us here at Live Free University on my journey on the One Funnel Away Challenge. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Ooh, what else? We got a book. Ooh. It's like it's my birthday, which is tomorrow. Ooh. Ooh, look, it's money. Ooh, nice. Oh, look at this. $100. Ooh, with instructions. Want to earn a real one of these? Ooh, super cool. And you suddenly lose everything. 30days.com. Ooh, I've read this one already. I got it online. Ooh. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself. It's a Russell Brunson. Russell Brunson, ooh, once again. Give me and 30 of my 2 Comma Club winners just 30 days and we'll radically and ruthlessly transform your business with an internet marketing survival guide that gets you up and running in your business as if you started from zero. Super cool. Ooh, nice. All that for just $100. I'd say it's a pretty good deal. Plus, this is like an iPod or an MP3. Ooh, let's see. Oh, nice. 1 funnel away challenge. Ooh, this is super fun. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Good thing I got earbuds. Oh, that's super cool. It's loaded up with training. Yeah. Happy birthday to me. Very exciting. Oh, I'm so excited to get it. 1 funnel away challenge with Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels. Stay tuned. Check it out, check it out, check it out here at Live Free University. My name is Timothy Zellmer, and we'll be seeing you on my journey. Stay tuned, please subscribe for our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos about the 1 funnel away challenge. We'll be here in Boquete, Panama, or at my hotel, Hotel Central Boquete, if you want to come down and chat about the 1 funnel away challenge. We're here to help. Very nice. Ooh, all the goodies, all unwrapped. Happy birthday to me.